Happy Diwali to all of you. This time I'm not going to do the Farar, the chakli and chiwda packs to give away, but I'm going to try different flavors of chocolates and pack them nicely. So I have some idea in mind. So let's build it together. Take half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of milk powder. I'm using creamer. 1 cup of sugar, icing sugar. Two-third cup of coconut oil or cacao butter. So I ordered bunch of silicone candy molds. So especially for Diwali, I'm going to use the star one, right? And then I have some other shape as well. And then I have this rose shape as well. So yeah, water is boiling. Now I'm going to keep this container with oil in it, and I'm going to start pouring the dry ingredients slowly and steadily because I have to mix it continuously. Now slowly add this more batch of dry ingredients and again stir well. So in the mold I put some cashews inside, and then on the top I'm going to put the chocolate syrup that we made. I'm going to finish it a little bit, but just showing you what's going on. For the next batch, we are adding cut figs. This is the anjeer or fig batch. The next batch I'm doing of dry coconut, and I did 1 batch of raisins. So I made variety of chocolates, and then I wrapped in different colored papers. And from Amazon I got some stickers and the boxes. So for example, this one is the rangoli pack, right? So it's a chocolate with the rangoli wrap, and I'm going to just basically arrange them inside and just put it in. So this is my thali pack, like a flower thali theme. Then this is a sutali bomb pack, things like that. So I'm going to make multiple boxes, wrap them together and gift it away. Guys, so this is the diya pack. This is the rangoli pack. Then this is the rocket pack. And this is the lantern one. So I then to put them together and wrapped with the string, and I kept one like Happy Diwali sticker here. So all the boxes I stacked them together, and then I put the string on, and I have like Happy Diwali sticker, and I made some kind of menu, right? So can you come closer? Yeah, so in this menu, I obviously said Diwali wishes, and for each chocolate that I made, I added the ingredients. So for example, say Diya Pataka chocolate in purple wrap is basic chocolate. Rocket Pataka in green is fig chocolate. The strings lantern in gold is cashew chocolate, and blah blah blah. So that's the art and craft idea for the innovative Diwali gift. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you comment so I know what's going on. Thank you.